Hello, see you again on the Pilot Zone channel, a channel that presents interesting and easy to understand learning videos. This learning material is about the basic characteristics of planet Earth. Okay, here are the expected learning outcomes. 1. The students should be able to identify the basic features and statistics of the Earth. 2. The students should be able to compare and contrast the 7 continents of the Earth. 3. The students should be able to identify the 3 main layers of the Earth. Imagine sitting by a big glass window in a spaceship and looking at Earth. What would be your questions about our home planet? Would your questions be about, how does the Earth stay in its orbit around the Sun? How did the continents form, and why do they fit together like a puzzle? Why does the Earth have different seasons throughout the year? Let's find out. Our planet is a remarkable place, full of diverse and interconnected systems that work together to sustain life as we know it. From the air we breathe to the water we drink, the Earth's atmosphere, hydrosphere, geosphere, and biosphere all play important roles in creating the environment that we call home. Earth's stats. Diameter, 12,742 kilometers. Mass, 5.97 times 10 to the 24 kilograms. Distance, Sun, 149.6 million kilometers. Length of day, 24 hours. Length of year, 365.24 days. Composition, 32.1% iron, 30.1% oxygen, 15.1% silicon, 13.9% magnesium, 2.9% sulfur, and other elements. Earth's features. 1. Earth's axis. The Earth's axis is tilted at an angle of about 23.5 degrees relative to the plane of its orbit around the Sun. This tilt is responsible for the Earth's seasons and the variation in daylight hours throughout the year in different parts of the world. 2. Orbital plane. Earth's orbital plane is the flat path that it follows as it travels around the Sun. 3. Equator. The equator is an imaginary line that circles the Earth at 0 degrees latitude, and it divides the planet into 2 hemispheres. Cross-section. 1. Crust. The crust is the outermost layer, and it varies in thickness from about 5 to 70 kilometers depending on location. It is composed primarily of solid rock and is divided into 2 main types, oceanic and continental crust. 2. Mantle. The mantle is the layer beneath the crust, and it makes up about 84% of the Earth's volume. It is composed of hot, semi-solid rock and is divided into the upper and lower mantle. 3. Core. The core is the central layer of the Earth, and it is divided into outer and inner layers. Next, the characteristics of the Earth's moon. Diameter, approximately 3,476 kilometers. Mass, approximately 81 quintillion pounds. Distance, Earth, approximately 384,400 kms. Orbital period, approximately 27.3 Earth days. Gravity, approximately 1/6 of Earth's gravity. Continents of the Earth. Asia. Asia is the largest and most populous continent, covering 1/3 of the world's land area and home to over 4.5 billion people. It is known for its rich history and cultures. The continent is also home to a wide range of landscapes and ecosystems, making it an important part of the world. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent, known for its vast and diverse landscapes, from the Sahara Desert to the rainforests of Central Africa. The continent is also known for its wildlife, with the savannas of East Africa being home to iconic species, making Africa an important and unique part of the world. America. The American continent is divided into two large landmasses, North America and South America. North America is known for its diverse geography as well as its economy and history. South America is famous for its vibrant cultures, colorful cities, and diverse ecosystems. Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and the coldest and driest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. It is covered in ice that averages 1.9 kilometers thick and holds 70% of the world's freshwater. Despite its extreme conditions, it is home to a variety of wildlife, including penguins, seals, and whales. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and the coldest and driest place on Earth, with temperatures that can drop below -80 degrees Celsius. Europe. Europe is the second smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the most densely populated, with over 700 million people. It is known for its rich history, culture, and iconic landmarks. It is home to a diverse range of languages, cuisines, and traditions, making it an important part of the world. Australia. Australia is the smallest continent in terms of land area, but it is the sixth largest country in the world. The continent is famous for its iconic landscapes and a wide variety of unique wildlife. The indigenous people of Australia have a rich and ancient culture that has been shaped by the continent's unique environment. Our planet Earth is a beautiful and extraordinary place, filled with life, color, and wonder. It is our home, our responsibility, and our future. So let's protect it, care for it, and work together to keep it safe, because every small action we take today can create a better world for tomorrow. Thank you for listening.